and in this song tutorial I'm going to show you how to play All I Want for Christmas Is You. It is going to go back and forth over the break a little bit, and we are in the key of A, so we'll be rotating in this area from the A, G sharp, F sharp a lot, but otherwise it's not so hard. Let's go. We're going to start on a low A below the break, so you have your thumb down in the back, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 for A right here, and then you'll move to a C sharp. So you're going to lift up your bottom two fingers and drop that left hand pinky for C sharp right here, and then you'll go to an E, so that's just your thumb and your index finger, roll to the G sharp, which is this key right here, with the side of your index finger, so you can roll into the A with that front knuckle of your index finger. Go back to the G sharp, roll down to an F sharp right here in the front, and drop your thumb in the back for the E. Here we go over the break. So we are going to play a B natural over the break, thumb, register, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this lever key in your left hand for the B. You can rest your pinky here on the C key, but you shouldn't need to. Later on, we're going to be moving into a C sharp right here, so I prefer to keep this pinky free so that I don't accidentally play a C natural. So here we are on the B. Then you're going to roll into that A with the front of your finger, and then G sharp on the side, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. Now, we're going to go to a D right here. So you have your thumb 1, 2 for D, F sharp in the front, roll to the A, over the break to the B, and now we are going to do that C sharp right here that I was talking about. After the C sharp, we're going to go to a B natural, right back to the left hand pinky, roll to that A, and drop your front finger for the F sharp. Back to the D, and this time you're going to play an E sharp, which we know as an F, so just your thumb down in the back. Roll to that A again, and then over the break to the B natural that we had before, but this time you are going to actually play that C natural. We're going to see it in the music as a written B sharp, but it's a C for us. Back to the B, and then the next note is written as an F double sharp, but it is an open G for us, so there's our F double sharp, and then an E sharp, which is actually our F right here in the back. Back to the B. I'm trying to get to a spot where we can see each other. All right, so here's our B, then A, G sharp, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Back down to that low A, C sharp, E, G sharp on the side, A in the front, G sharp, F sharp, E, just like the beginning. Over the break again to the C sharp right here. C sharp, C sharp, C sharp. B in the left, C sharp, B, A with the front knuckle of your index finger in your left hand, and F sharp right there. Now we have the D, E sharp, which is our F again, A, B, B sharp, which is our C, B, that open G, and landing on the E sharp, which we have as an F again. Now we're on that A right here, the throat tone A with the side of our index finger, so that we can drop easily into that B. Keep your fingers nice and close. Roll back down to that G sharp on the side of your finger here. A, F sharp, G sharp, E sharp, which is our F in the back. A again, B, G sharp, A, F sharp, G sharp, E sharp. Keep your thumb down in the back and drop your index finger for the E. F sharp, A. Now we're going to play that high E over the break. So thumb register 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 for E, E, and then drop your third finger for the D right there. Our next note is the C sharp. So you just drop your pinky down here to the lower level of keys, the closest key to you in your right hand for C sharp. Then you're going to switch over to your left hand pinky B right here. And then you're going to do an A, F sharp with your front finger, E by dropping your thumb in the back to the B over the break, lift up and switch for the C sharp, and then you're going to return to that A. Now we're going to do the little decorative transition that you can use to go back to the beginning or head into the chorus. If you've made it this far and you'd like me to make a recording of the chorus of All I Want for Christmas Is You, please let me know in the comments. We are going to go back to this C sharp right here, and then you're going to lift up to the E, and then you're going to go to the C sharp, B, like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting that little clarinet hand icon over here. And I also have a playlist of holiday favorites in a songbook of clarinet tutorials, so be sure to check that out too, because there are a lot of other holiday songs I have on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.